All right, so today I'm going to show you how to create a very simple spread that I created based on just doing some experimentation with different ingredients. This is a spread that I think almost everyone is going to like and that you can enjoy with pretty much any type of bread, as well as pita chips, tortilla chips, really anything. And let's go ahead and show you how to do that. You just need a few ingredients. Persian cucumber, crumpled feta cheese, walnuts, olive oil, and some salt and pepper. That's it. So we start by cutting up this cucumber, Persian cucumber, and removing its skin. And we're going to put it all in this bowl here. There are my cucumbers. Then we're going to add some of this crumbled feta cheese from Trader Joe's. And there's that. Next, you want to add some walnuts and you want to grind them up a bit. You can use your hands. You don't have to get fancy. Or you could probably use a coffee grinder, but you don't want them grinded up too much. Just make them a bit smaller so that it mixes in with everything else easily. Salt and pepper. Olive oil, and then we just want to mix it up. And it's a relatively healthy snack. Based on who you ask, maybe the feta cheese isn't so healthy. And now, one way to enjoy this, especially if you're going to have some guests over or some family or friends over, is with some pita chips. Take your pita chip. Oh. One more time. Wow. A few other breads that I like to enjoy with is this badabadi bread, Iranian badabadi bread. Sangak, Iranian sangak bread. You can toast these and give it a nice crunch. And that's it. A very simple, healthy snack or spread, whatever you want to call it. Dear Trader Joe's, I don't know if you're going to watch this or not, but all of these ingredients are literally from Trader Joe's, including the salt and pepper. I think you should sample this at your stores.